Hello viewer, welcome to Pharma Digital and you listen to Anup Kumar, a registered pharmacist. Today in this video we know about what are the safe drugs that are used during the pregnancy, means what are the drugs that doesn't produce any side effect to the fetus when we use during the pregnancy. First categories of drug, that is fever and mild pain, means if we suffered from the fever and mild pain during the pregnancy, the safe drug are paracetamol and ibuprofen. These are the two drugs that doesn't produce any side effect to the fetus. Next is anti-anemic condition. Anemia, as you know, anemia is a condition where excessive loss of red blood cells occur, and in this case iron supplement, iron dextran, folic acid and vitamin B12 are safe drugs during the pregnancy. Next category is antibiotics. Antibiotics means these are the drug categories which helps to prevent from the growth of microorganism. So here we discuss what are the safe drugs that are used during the pregnancy, like that penicillin, ampicillin, piperacillin, cloxacillins and clavulanate, erythromycins and cephalosporin derivatives are safe drugs that are used or that may be used during the pregnancy. Next is anti-amoebic drug, means the drug that are used to treat the amoebic dysentery, a protozoal disease. So in this category, diloxanide furoate and oral rehydration salt, that is popularly abbreviated as ORS, these are the safe drugs that are may be used during the pregnancy. The drug is anti-emetic, means those drugs that are helps to prevent the vomitings during the pregnancy. So in these categories, metoclopramide, doxylamine, succinate and prochlorperazine, these are the safe drugs that are may be used during the pregnancy in case of in categories of anti-emetic drug. And next, if we suffered from the malarial protozoal infection during the pregnancy, what are the safe drugs that are may be used, like chloroquine, quinine, mefloquine and pyrimethamine. These are the four drugs that produce safety during the pregnancy. If we suffered from the thyroid gland disorder during the pregnancy, we used thyroxine and propylthiouracil. These are the two safe drugs that may be used during the pregnancy. Next, we know about what are the safe drugs that may be used in case of high blood pressure during the pregnancy, like nifedipine, methyl-dopa, labetalol, atenolol and metoprolol. These are the safe categories of drugs that may be used during the pregnancy if we suffered from the hypertension, and that is also known as high blood pressure. What are the safe drugs that are used during the gastroesophageal reflux disease? It is a disease where excessive heartburn occurs, and in this case ranitidine, omeprazole and pantoprazole we used for the safety purpose. And other than this drug, the other may be like that rabiprazole, esomeprazole. These are the drugs that may be produce side effects. So ranitidine, omeprazole and pantoprazole are the safe drugs in case of gastroesophageal reflux disease. If we suffered from the mild cough and cold during the pregnancy, we used oxymetazoline, xylometazoline and budesonide. These are the three safe drugs that may doesn't produce any. What are the safest antifungal drugs that are used during the pregnancy, like clotrimazole, nystatin? These are the safe drugs that may be used during the pregnancy. In case of allergic reactions, what are the anti-allergic drugs that are produce safety during the pregnancy, like promethazine, chlorpheniramine? These are the two broad anti-allergic drugs that doesn't produce any side effect during the pregnancy, or it may be the safe drug that may be used during the pregnancy. So here We already discussed what are the safe drugs that are used during the pregnancy according to categories wise. So if you enjoy the topic, please share with your friends and subscribe us for getting the more updates regarding the new videos. Have a good day. Thank you.